Hi, I'm Aranza, General Manager at Accelerate Marketing, and I'm going to show you how to give access to someone to your Google Business profile. The first thing that you need to do is find your Google Business profile. There's two ways to do that. Number one, you're going to go to business.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with the email address that you have access to. Google Business profiles will show up in here. The other way is to just search for the business that you have access to, and it should come up, okay? Once you're in here, you're going to click on the three dots right here. You're going to go to Business Profile Settings, then People and Access. Once you are under People and Access, you're going to click here where it says Add, and you're going to start writing the email. So for example, if I was sending access to myself, I'm going to have Aranza at accelerateyourmarketing.com, and then I'm going to choose the level of access I want to provide you with. You have the option to be an owner. If you are a primary owner, you can give ownership access, and you can also have manager. Make sure that anyone you're adding into your Google Business profile only gets manager access unless it's a co-owner of the business. Once you have done this, you're going to click on invite and the invite will be sent. Now that you know how to do that, there are two very important things that you need to know before you give someone access. Number one, make sure that you always have primary ownership to the profile. This is very important as you want to make sure that you're always in control to be able to remove or add people into the profile, and that if you ever let go of a vendor, an agency, or an employee, you don't have to worry about it. Number two, make sure that you only give access to people that know what they're doing, whether it's an employee or agency or someone that you trust. Your Google Business profile has a lot of information that if it's changed, can cause a suspension, like your name, business address, phone number, etc. So make sure that access is only provided to people that you're working with and that understand Google inside and out. If you want us to check your profile for any issues or ways to rank better in Google, please shoot us a text. Text LSA to 619-304-5155, and one of our team members will create an audit. We'll get in a discovery call and we'll talk about how we can work together.